We're going to use Excel to create a timesheet today. So first of all, let's look at our Excel spreadsheet. You'll see from here, I've got some headings and we're going to work with those. So first of all, what I'm going to do is just quickly look at a way of entering information and how we clear it and get it ready for our users. So first off, we're going to show them how to put today's date in. Everybody should always complete a timesheet on the day they do it. Otherwise, people don't remember accurately what they've done, believe me. So control semicolon, that's a great one. That will get you to put today's date in the cell without even having to remember. And then we want to put in a category. Well, I've already got my categories here. And what I want to do is ensure that I use these. So I've highlighted them and I've named them cats. So by typing in CATS and enter, it's named that range.